Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find the frame rate as well as the frame width and height of any video in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you I have two video files, as you can see. So here I will gonna show you two ways. The first way is without using a third-party software, and the second method will be going to use our third-party software. So firstly, we'll use the system inbuilt option. So say I have two videos, right? So say I want to find the frame rate as well as the frame width and height of this respective video. So for this, what you need to do, just right click on it and you can see your properties. Just click on properties. Now under the properties, you can see above details. Just click on it. Now under the details, just scroll down below and you can see under the video section, as you can see here. So here you will see frame width and frame height, but it's showing blank, right? So it's not showing the frame rate also. So let us check the second video. Once again, going to the same options and by going to details. So here it's showing under the video sections, the frame width is 1920, frame height is 1080, and the frame rate being used in this respective video is 23.98 frames per second. So using this method also, you can see the frame rate as well as the frame width and height of any video, but we could not get the informations for the first video, right? So for this, you can use the third-party video players like the VLC media player, which I have already installed. You can use any video player also. So I'll highly recommend you use the open source VLC media player since it's totally free of cost. So let me open the VLC media player. So I've opened the VLC media player. So I'll just drag and drop and I'll just pause it. Now after that, what you need to do, you can see here tools. Just click on it. So under the tools, you can see here codec informations. Just click on it. Now here you can see our video resolutions, right? So 1280 is a width, that is the frame width, and 534 is the frame height of this respective video, which I'm about to play with the VLC media player. And you can see just below to it is a frame rate. So the frame rate of this respective video, which I'm going to play with the VLC media player, is 23.97. so this much of frame per second. So earlier we have not got the details of the frame width and height and the frame rate of this respective video, but using the VLC media player, it is displaying it. So using these two tricks, you can easily find the frame rate as well as the frame width and height of any video in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks how to find the frame rate as well as the frame width and height of any video in Windows, then definitely you can try these cool tricks. So if you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.